got it.
CPP.
I don't know if I want to say sloppy, just not firing on all, that's all.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Oh! That's a little puck luck there. That's okay. Dump it in. Vermette's going to go. He needs help. He needs help. Need two on a puck, but he does get it. That's good. Ziegler. Good block. Ziegler. Clogging up that one side there. Vermette's going to go. Chernobyl comes over to Ziegler. Ziegler shot. It's intercepted there. Roland back to Ziegler. Back to Roland. Roland shot. Ziegler. 15 minutes left in the first period. 1-0 for the Blizzard. They call the Blizzard there, Kimbo. Is it Southeast Blizzard?
Southwest,
Or Southwest?
yeah, good question.
Yeah, okay. Shot. Roland.
Oh!
Does not sneak in. Does not sneak in. Bradley from the point. Kimbo hits his guy. Yeah, he's got a ball. Shot. Win. Not sure, Kimbo. Not sure. All right. Not sure there, Kimbo. Not sure on that one. He's got it here. 27 seconds left in that part. Como needs help badly. Bradley picks that up. Good pass by Como there. Shot. Almost goes in there. Bradley at the top. Levac on the side. Goes back to Levac. Levac. Gotta hold that line there. He's got to hold that line. 8 seconds left. Vermette, what do we have? Crazy. 13:55 left in the first period. 8 seconds left in the Blizzard penalty there. Vermette in front. Fairzy buzzing there. I'll leave it up here. Getting warmed up. There's a buddy heater on there. He's getting warmed up. Okay. Outside here. Hearing one outside. Not sure why. Outside. Okay. Robin Neufeld. Chernobyl. Coulon. Emery. Yes. Emery pass up. Intercepted. Gets in there. Robin in. They're still fighting. Hubert gets it all of them. Good shot. Yeah, all the right save by good save by on the full chain there. Come up. Chernobyl, Neufeld. Alright. We got some heat there, Tim. Started. I don't know if you're feeling it. You're probably outside the range here.
I'm outside the range.
Every guy's outside. inside the range, that's the that could have been secure. Here you go. Come over, bang shot. Henry's gonna skate hard for it. Puck gets thrown up. Weird game here, weird game. Picks that up. Everybody's on side. Was in the corner there. That was great. Henry does get that. Picks that up. Como shot. Little 9-iron to the corner there. Yeah, little hit. Como still got it. A lot of reaching today, Tim. A lot of reaching. Oh! Again. All right. Here we go. 11:50 left in the first period. Still 1-0 for the Blizzard. Tim, what do you think here? Give me something here.
Oh, we're starting to get going here. Just gotta bury one.
Here, that's the Jets love here. Just hit a couple of hits, then we start scoring. Okay. He's gonna throw it over to Ruiz. Let the see Ruiz go cross ice dump there, Tim. What do you think?
Yeah.
Cross ice dump, because then your other guy in the other wing, he's got full momentum.
You either cross ice it or you rip it around the boards and it'll pop right to him.
There
Yeah.
you go. 100% like that. Seager goes up to Ruiz. Ruiz throws it. Good dump. Fairsey's going to chase that. Yep. Fairsey gets hit there. Going to get thrown around. Penner. A lot of speed here, a lot of speed. He needs to review this. He needs to review his hitting. There's hitting in the game of hockey. If he doesn't want hitting in the game of hockey, he should tell both teams there is no hitting in hockey. And then the teams will know about the hit. Yeah. I've seen this guy. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We'll adapt. We'll adapt here. At least he's consistent, right? He's like that both sides. So. Mr. Caves, linesman there, gets that red on the Gotta hit him. Gotta hit him. There you go. That's better. Now it. Now it throws it in the middle. Gets it down. 7 seconds left in that penalty there. Now back. Ziegler jump on. Beeson. Beeson gets around here. Dumps it in. Ziegler's gonna go. There's he. Got that. Doesn't get up. No, doesn't get up. Puts that in. Julian's going to be offside there. 7:32 left in that first period. Still 1-0 losing here. All right, Timbo. 7:06 left in that first period. What do you think we need to do here, Tim?
Starting to look more positive. We're starting to buzz out there a bit.
Can't hit though.
Can't hit. No hitting allowed.
No hitting allowed, so that's okay.
Let's go!
Where's he? Third man. Coming in, rolling, gonna jump up. Ziegler gonna get the penalty. Surprised on that one. There's some contact there. Maybe you should have called that one, but that's okay. That's okay. Let it go. Don't worry. It's almost time. I'll let that go soon. All right, 6:46 left in the first period. Still 1-2 Blizzard. Jets need one here before the period here. Ginter's gonna go. Oh, Bradley's gonna go. Ginter's in front. Who's the guy next? Let's in. Schrader yelling at our bench. What I always say, Tim, that's gonna bite you in the ass later on. It always does. It's always done. Keep yelling at our bench. That's no problem. No problem. It's okay. Let's see that. Nice and good. Does he make it? Oh, gives that off. Gives that off. Crowd yelling at the clock there. That's in our favor. That's in our favor. If the clock's not going, that's in our favor. We're down 2-0. Just let the mamas know there. That's good. That's good. That's in our favor. Ginter shot. That's skipped up. Gonna go for a change here. You're gonna change. Forwards are gonna change. Get a whole new crew out there.
hope so.
Not, they got a chicken chef here in Steinbach. Chicken chef in Timbo.
I gotta get back to Malo. Got a tournament going on there.
All right, all right. Always make time for chicken chef that way.
Normally.
Okay. Fontaine to Hebert. Hebert gets it up to View. View coming in. Shot. Get Baldwin in his groove here. Get Baldwin in his groove. Emerson throws that around. Jowett picks that up. Gets Michael Ziegler back off.
Just puked in my mouth a little bit. Don't make me think about that.
Z-Man from the point. Pass to Neufeld. Neufeld, the back's going to come back. He's going to hustle here. Alright, the middle shot. Almost there. I like that hard shot. Ziegler. Z-Man shot. We had traffic there. We had traffic. Portage and Main. Portage and Main on a Friday afternoon right there. I like it. I like it. Fairzy going hard. Fairzy's got a advertising patch there for his dad's hot sauce. For his dad's hot sauce. Bradley up to little dangle. Robidoux. I'd like to see Robidoux just carry that over that boy. Carry that over that boy. That's what I'd like to see. Ginter to Mel. Robidoux can't pick that up. Vermin does though. Vermin going back. Not Vermin.
Game changer here. You gotta get one.
Felt Fairzy. Fairzy wins. Fairzy missed the hot sauce. All right, Fairzy's back at it. Neufeld picks that up. He's going to go to Levac. Levac back to Neufeld. Neufeld walks in. Shot scores! Shot? No. Can't get it rolling against the Levac and play there. Let's see that. Let's see that. Needs some help there. Needs some help. That Roland does stay in his pocket. Levac's going to skate it in. Back to Roland. Roland shot. Needs some traffic. Needs some traffic. G-Town connection there with a little bit of St. Malo spice. G-Town connection with a little bit of St. Malo spice. Become like it. Max Ziegler.
I am. That's it. Done deal. Yep.